All right, just a quick update. The pink 67 behind me is heading to the Mecum auction here in Harrisburg. It's going to go across the block on Friday afternoon sometime. So if you're watching, I believe it'll be on Motor Trend. It should be on in the slotted TV time there, I believe, for Friday afternoon. Or if you're there in person, come check it out and say hi. Yeah, I'm excited. We'll see what it goes for. I do have a reserve on it, so yeah, check it out. Friday afternoon, Mecum Auctions, Harrisburg. Thanks for watching.